Right hand ni bawat isa.
Sinaw kayo.
Sinaw ka na ano sweet. Okay. Since you wish to contract marriage, please join your right hands and express your intentions before me and the laws of this country. Okay? Calvin J., do you accept Mary Joy here present for your lawful wife according to our laws? Do you give yourself to her as her husband? Do you accept her as your lawful wife? Mary Joy, do you accept Calvin J. here present for your lawful husband according to our laws? Do you give yourself to him as his wife? Sa'yo. Mamisante lang ang activity. Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes.
Is
Yes,
there
I do.
anybody here present who objects to the marriage of Mary Joy and Calvin J? Okay, I hear your response. Okay, Calvin J and Mary Joy, you face each other, you look at each other and join your right hands. And repeat after me. Okay, repeat after me, ha? May we have one heart and soul from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do us part. Okay. By the authority vested in me by Philippine laws as presiding judge of the Regional Trial Court, Branch 58, Bukay, Ambra, and calling upon those present here as witnesses, I hereby confirm the bond of this marriage which you have contracted, Mary Joy and Calvin J.
Yan.
Okay. Rings.
Yes.
Very good. Congratulations. I have the two rings here. This rings. Ada.
Nang saliya, iyaw.
Okay. Para ang
Sige.
Calvin DJ, para ka ni Mary Joy. Okay, naala yun ba? Okay, so yan. Okay. I have these two rings here. This ring shall always be worn by you, so that you may be forever live in deep faith and unbroken loyalty to each other. They are round, as you see, which means that your love is endless. May they do your will and may they always live together in love, respect, true friendship, and joy. Okay. Mary Joy, please repeat after me and look at Calvin J. Calvin J. Wear this ring
Suot mo, suot mo.
Paano
Suot
iman?
mo.
Yeah.
as a sign of my love, and and loyalty to you. I take you as my husband. I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health. I will love you, honor you,
Honor you.
all the days of my life. Okay, Calvin, repeat after me. Mary Joy,
Suot mo, Jay.
hindi kikirelatives. Wear this ring as a sign of my love.
Kitaon ko naman. Kitaon ka sa
Thank you. Oh, taon ka no. Calvin,
Kaya din ato ang tangat to.
I take you as my wife.
Sumarunong.
I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health. I will love you, honor you, all the days of my life. Okay, do we have points at that?
Na coins nyo?
Nag-aaras na, okay. Calvin, ala ang picture. Okay. Awan sa mga points na unit ko that. Wala.
Iluwar mo, Jay.
10
Ay,
pesos
nakasupot.
na. Kasi 10 points. Kung ano, 10 points na ano, lucky.
10 coins. Ilan pa yan?
Ayun na.
Ay, nabigay
Bigyan mo na. Yan o. Bigyan mo na. May tanong sa kapulo.
Dapat extra.
Sinaypan ka niya.
Oh, Calvin, repeat after me. Mary Joy,
Sinango kayo. Kinita kayo.
Kaharap kayo, Joy. Harapin mo.
I give you these coins
I give you this
as a pledge of my dedication
Yun na makitkitan.
dedication
Kikitan na mo di kalendaryo.
and the welfare
to the welfare
of our children.
Kita mo si Jay.
Thank you ko naman.
Matakan mata.
Mary Joy, please. Okay.
Thank you,
My dear
Myla.
friends, let us help the spouses so that they will unite in love and in
Ikaw ka na,
peace.
ikaw ka,
May they
Joy.
always love, honor, and trust each other and treat each other as equals. Let us help them be faithful to the marriage and be good parents. May they live long, full, and happy lives with their children. Okay, the secret to a happy marriage is friendship, good communication, and most importantly, God. Our Bible says in Corinthians 1:13-4-7, love is patient, love is kind, love does not envy or boast. It is not arrogant or rude. It does not insist on its own way. It is not irritable or resentful. It does not rejoice on wrongdoing, but rejoices with truth. Love bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, and endures all things. Now, we hope that both of you unite your hearts in enduring bond of pure love, that you may be blessed with your children, and may the love you lavished on them return to you 100-fold. That there will always be peace in your heart and in your homes. May your true friends stand by you both in joy and in sorrow. May care never cause you distress, nor the desire for earthly possessions lead you astray. May you have the fullness of your hearts, so that you may reap the harvest of your full life. Okay, now we go to the marriage certificate. Last chance.
Pwede pa
Witnesses
magbago.
and the bride. Oh, ma'am, did you take the pictures? Di ba video ito? Stop na kayo, sir. Na kayo mag-take the pictures. You can come here. Kasi this